What's up, everyone? Aubrey Trades here with the morning trade recap. Not much exciting for me. Ending the morning right now, walking away with a loss of about $2.77 from APOP and Sport mostly. We'll talk about it, but definitely missed out on a lot of great opportunity out there, notably MTRT going just absolutely savage from 207s to now 493, kind of retesting these highs from yesterday. So just absolutely just insane. Can't believe. Again, I look for more panic. Like, I want to do the panic dip buy pattern, and so I just kind of like I'm garbage at buying these breakouts, but this was so clean. Like, before we go over the trades, I just want to look at this, like, MTRT. Look at this. This is a classic VWAP hold high day break. Just textbook. And I just, I wasn't paying enough attention. I was preoccupied with APOP and SPRT. But look, even if you go to the 1 minute chart, right? Look at this. Love this, love this consolidation here. Right, and you have this kind of holding, right? Slightly higher low, and then you break out of this downward trend, up and up you go. So I mean, like, even if you missed the morning action here, this was such a good signal. And you had, look at the volume here. Volume dries up for 20, 30 minutes here, still holding the same price level, and then when it starts to pick back up and break the trend, see right here on this candle, look at the volume picking back up a little bit. And then, if you wanted to wait, you still had a moment here. Bing, bam, boom, 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 bing, bang, boom. So, whatever, I missed it. Let's talk about the trades that I did take. Lost about $4 on APOP. This was the 945 dip and rip that I was looking for. Let's make it so you can see my trades, because you know me, I will always be transparent in these videos and show you exactly what I'm doing. We'll go to the 5 minute chart, just because this is actually my entries I'm making based off of 5 minute action. So here we had coming into the 945 candle, and this was green at the time that I bought in the 830s, right? It's right up here. Second green candle. I thought, okay, cool. We're gonna, this is the reverse. I set my stop at 793, which is low a day, and I got stopped out. I got stopped out pretty quickly too. Let's go back into this 1 minute chart. Look at that, 1 minute, and even the 1 minute chart, like, this shows a good reversal forming, right? You got this, you got the higher low, but I guess I could have seen this like 1, 2, 3 tries, and it tops out at 838, so that's not super great. Anyway, I got stopped out immediately within a minute, and that was my, like, it was an $11 loss or something like that. But then I re-entered here when it was starting to do like a rounded bottom sort of thing, rounded bottom reversal. So I got in here at 750 roughly, just because it was looking nice, and we kind of had this double bottom here. So I was like, all right, cool. We'll probably retrace to VWAP. So I was, I had my price target here in the 820s, and it was all right. 5 minute chart over here, and it worked. It was a good trade. 750. I sold at 769. I was risking low a day here, so I didn't quite get an R, but that's like, I was up an R at a point, but I was like, I gotta go, I gotta film this recap, I gotta go to work. I didn't want to wait around, and it was just proven to like, it was looking like it was gonna take a while, right? I mean, sometimes what you see happen is on these 5 minute patterns, I'm looking down here, like, maybe this just chops around sideways, and this whole moving average line is going to start creeping up, and they're going to kind of intersect, right? And then when they intersect, you'll see like a push up. So maybe like, 5-10 more minutes of this just kind of grinding, and then we might get another push up to retest that VWAP. But here we have, you see this little downward trend line. So if I was looking to enter, I would look to see if this holds this low, right? You got a little triangle pattern here, and then you get the breakout of 760, and then maybe a push up. So we're gonna see, it looks like buyers are stepping up, and see if how it defends that price level. Anyway, so that was that trade. I was able to make back a lot of what I lost. Ooh, hard pull. Oh, the end. I was able to make back a lot of what I lost there from this trade, so that was that was good. And then the other one I took was SPRT, which was just a small $2 win here at 23.89 after after it bounced off and resistance proved support. But I kind of I wasn't sure how much it had left in it, so I ended up getting out at $24, and that ended up being a pretty good idea, since we ended up just kind of fading away. And this might just fade for the rest of the day, so I don't know. Anyway, that is all I got. Those are all my trades for the morning, just to down $2.77. I'm not mad at it, because each trade was one that I had a plan for, and I had a set risk level, and I sized in accordingly. So can never be mad at that. Losses are just part of the game. We will see what happens with APOP. I don't know if this is gonna push back up or not. We'll see. B big looks like it's kind of dead. MTRT, I can't believe, just keeps going. It's truly the big disappointment of my day was missing this trade. Another one, Metamaterials had a good run. AEHR had a good run. Lucy had a decent panic if you were able to pick it up, but that's it. Anyway, hope you all had a good morning out there. Stay safe, and I'll post another recap video if I trade anything in the afternoon. Otherwise, I'll be back on Tuesday, since we have off for Memorial Day, with another pre-market prep video. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value out of this video, please hit the like button. Really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing and leave a comment down below. Let me know what other type of content you want to see from this channel, or if you had any big wins. Tell me about it. We can celebrate together. Anyway, I'm Aubrey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.